Hi, I'm Jennifer Muller, Sales and Marketing Manager at Reed's Heritage Homes, and I'm pleased to introduce you to our newest condominium in Guelph, Rain. Guelph is an incredible community and is located 45 minutes from Pearson Airport and the GTA. Rain is located at the corner of Lowe's and Gordon Street. Gordon Street is the main corridor in the city of Guelph and runs from the 401 through the university and right into the downtown core. With a bus stop right outside your door, getting to and from the city is never an issue. Another wonderful feature is Preservation Park. Steps away from your condo, you'll find an incredible network of trails, parks, and lots of nature. The Rain condominium building is comprised of 86 suites, ranging in size from just over 500 to 1,000 square feet.
Hi, I'm Tara Ballantyne, Design Director at Reed's Heritage Homes. If you love design and inspiration, you need to look no further than the Rain condominium in Guelph. Multiple floor plans that range from 1 to 2 bedrooms are sure to suit your needs. Architectural details have been carefully considered, from expansive windows to great sprawling kitchens with open concept living. You're sure to find something that you're looking for. Whether your design style has a more modern flair or a more of a traditional edge, we're sure that working with our design team, you will come up with a beautiful base palette that you can then interject your own personal style on top of, making your new house a home. This building also features a dual purpose common area. You have one area that is a theater room for chilling out, relaxing, and watching the game, or you could book the small kitchenette and large expansive dining table to host your baby shower, bridal shower, or just to get together with family and friends.
Rain is launching in the summer of 2020. Our sales team is so excited to answer any questions you may have and offer virtual or in-person appointments.
I cannot wait for you to see what we have in store at the Rain condominium.